Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We will continue our ABAP programming and we will start with the ABAP Pretty Printer. Uh, what is a Pretty Printer? Pretty Printer is an inbuilt tool. Okay, it is a inbuilt formatting tool. So it is a tool, inbuilt formatting tool. Okay, for our ABAP development environment. It automatically formats the ABAP code. It automatically formats our ABAP code. Whatever we have written in our code, it will automatically formats that according to our needs. So if we go to our AC38, we can see one tool is there, right? We can see one option in our application bar. This is the Pretty Printer. But how to customize it? How can we customize it? So for that we have to go to utilities and settings. Okay, if we go to utilities and settings, we have many tabs here, but for ABAP editor we can see for ABAP editor the Pretty Printer tab is here. So we have to go to ABAP editor and Pretty Printer. How will we customize? Utilities, then settings, then Pretty Printer. Now the first option is indent. The first option is indent. You can see the first option is indent. So what is indent? What is indent? It means there will be some blank space added at the beginning of the code. If I show you the code, okay, currently we don't have any blank space at the beginning of our code. Okay, we don't have any blank space at the beginning of our code. But what it is meant for indent? Indent is, suppose this is our ABAP editor screen. We write some code. Okay, let's say we have write this. At the beginning, we don't have any blank space. If we select indent, then it will make the code in organized manner. It will add some blank space to the beginning of the code, so that our code will look like a hierarchical structure. Okay, this is before indent. Before indent there is no blank space at the beginning of our code. After indent, suppose this is our ABAP editor screen. Okay, this is our ABAP editor screen. After applying indent, how it will look? Suppose we write some code here. After that, the code will be here, and the code will be here, then here, then here. So it will look like a hierarchical structure. Okay, it will look like a hierarchical structure. Basically, it works for looping case. Looping case means if and if. For example, if we see one example here of indent, we write something code, then we will write if, then we will write some code here, then our closing of loop, and if. We will see if and if later how to do the looping programming. Okay, but the program will look like a hierarchical structure. We write some code here, then we start our looping with if, then we write some condition or our logic here inside if loop, then we will close our if loop with end if keyword. Okay, if, and inside that we will have our logic, and this will look like a hierarchical manner. So ABAP indent is only for looping statements, so that it will look like a hierarchical structure, and it will look like a in organizer structure. Okay, now if we go to our second option is the convert case. Okay, second option is convert case. Now what is convert case? The first option in convert case is lower case. In convert case means it will convert all the letters, all the statement to lowercase. If I select lowercase, then whole coding will convert into lowercase. Let's see how it is happening. We'll select the lowercase. We'll go to our recent coding. See, we have the program which is active now. And how to active Pretty Printer? We have to select Pretty Printer. Once we select Pretty Printer, all the codings are converted to lowercase. See, all the codings are converted to lowercase. So what is the use of lowercase? If we select the lowercase, all the coding will convert it into lowercase. Now again, utilities, settings, Pretty Printer. Second option is our uppercase. If we select uppercase and select, again we will activate the Pretty Printer tool. So the whole coding will be in uppercase. The whole coding is now in uppercase. Everything, the keyword and the normal keywords, all are in uppercase. Now again, utilities, settings, Pretty Printer. Next option is our uppercase keyword. If we select uppercase keyword and apply it to the code, what will happen if I activate the Pretty Printer tool? Only the keywords. What are the keywords? All those which are in blue color. All those which are in blue color are SAP reserved keyword. All those are in blue color, which are in blue color, will convert to uppercase. We have selected what we have selected? Uppercase keyword. So if I activate the Pretty Printer tool, all the blue keywords will convert it to uppercase and all the black keywords will convert it to lowercase. Or if we have written in uppercase also, it will remain same. Let's see, Pretty Printer. See, all the keywords which are in blue color are now in uppercase and the black color one is in lowercase. Okay, P1, P2, P3. Okay, CB1, CB2, RB1, RB2. And you have noticed this title text is in lowercase. Why the text is in lowercase? All the blue colors are in uppercase, but text is in lowercase because it is not a keyword. Text 001 is not a keyword. It is an object. It is an object which we have created for our block. In the previous class, we have designed our selection screen. We created some block, and for that block, we have to give some name. And we have to give the name with help of this object. So this is an object, not a keyword. That is why it is in lowercase. And all the rest blue color SAP keywords are in uppercase. Now again, if we go to our utilities, settings, Pretty Printer, next one is our lowercase keyword. If we select lowercase keyword, all the blue colors will be converted to lowercase and the black one will convert it to uppercase. Pretty Printer, see, all the blue one is converted to lowercase and the black one is in uppercase. I hope you understand the concept of Pretty Printer. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.